This is the Hubsan X4, which is part of a series of lightweight quadcopters. This one in particular is the H107C, and I think the C stands for camera. It has a tiny little 720p camera just down at the front there, and you can put a memory card in the back. It also has a tiny little on and off switch. It didn't always look like this. Let's see what happened when the box arrived. Oh, it's upside down. Training drone. Apparently I can use this for indoor stuff while the weather is shit, which it is. Look at this little guy. It's got a camera on it too. Pew pew. Right, let's get the batteries charging, and then I'll see if I can dink it around the house. So much fun.
Ow!
Sorry.
Paul! I'm trying to help you here.
Oops. So this Hubsan X4, it actually looks a little bit different now to when it came in the box yesterday, because I've broken all 4 propellers. In actual fact, I've broken 2 sets, because this thing is feisty. So I went on Amazon again. I bought some replacements, and I brought this guard, which does make quite the difference actually. If you get one of these, I recommend that you get one of these guards. Things that I wasn't so sure about with this remote. This is springy, this one is not, and initially out of the box I wondered if that was whether it was broken and I'd have to send it back, but no, you actually want it to be quite slow, and it just makes it actually easier to maneuver by leaving this down. You can see I haven't even peeled all the bits of plastic off yet. Yay, plastic, just what this world needs, more of that. Recycle. I've bought this as a training aid, but this is ace.
You wait until we get hanging this, it'd be like dodgems in the air.
I think your battery might be low. One thing I haven't mentioned is the requirement of spares. You need spare batteries because they only last 5 minutes, spare propellers, and pretty much spare everything. So hit the link below for a spares kit. Have you got a Hubsan X4? What do you think? Leave any comments below. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, not only do I have this channel, but I am at Paul K. Porter on all the socials. So head over, give me a follow, and let me know if there's anything you want some help with. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.